May 2022 brought us a second update from Cricut. It has two very distinct parts to it, so this video is part 2 of the version 7.9 update video. The first video covered the Monogram Maker, a Cricut Access feature. This video covers the improvements you might notice when you are uploading images. This is not going to impact uploading SVG and DXF files, and some of this will apply only to Cricut Access, but most of it applies to anyone. This is Hank's Maker Mentor. Let's get started. Upload is still on the left panel. It's just above the new monogram feature. Click on Upload, then click on Upload Image. You can drag and drop or browse to find the file you're looking for. I'm using this hat press image from Cricut to show you the features. I'm still on the fence about getting a hat press. Select the image type. I always select complex because I find it gives me cleaner lines. The first thing I'm going to do is use the automatic background remover feature. This is Cricut Access specific. The same improvements to uploading images apply even if you're not using the automatic background remover. I wanted it to keep the cactus, the hat, and the hat press. It erased the cactus, but we can get it back. I had to zoom in quite a bit to make it clear enough for this video. If you select the Restore button, you can adjust your brush size, then bring it over the image to see a shadow of what will be restored there. Prior to this update, you could use the Restore brush, but you couldn't see what was under that area where you were going to be restoring it. When I found the cactus, I was able to click on it and start restoring it. You can see part of it I went too far to the left. I can use a combination of the erase brush and the select tool to clean up that and the other areas that need it. After I'm happy, I saved it. I decided to use this same one to show uploading it without the automatic background remover. The first steps are the same, but then instead of selecting Remove Background, I used the Select tool and clicked on the image in a few places to clean up the image. It did an okay job, but when you click on Preview Cut Image, you'll see these random gray sections. They're not very noticeable when I'm looking at the print image, but make a huge time difference when you're doing print and cut with this image. Prior to this update, you could preview the cut image, but when you used any of the tools, it would revert to the print image. I would spend a bunch of extra time going back and forth from the cut image and print image to make sure I got all those loose cuts erased. Version 7.9 allows us to erase while on the cut image preview. It's so nice, saves a lot of time. Now for the third improvement. I'm showing you while I upload that same image again. I used Select to erase the majority of the background like I did before, but this time I'm going to click on More Options. Before I actually adjust these, take a look at the design on the hat. I'm going to select Reduce Colors. I changed it to 4. You can see that the hat design is no longer vibrant, but what you might not realize has changed is that the background that I've already erased is still gone. Prior versions of Design Space would have returned that background and I would have had to erase it again after reducing the colors. Let's sum up how uploading images has been improved. We now have a shadow when we are restoring portions of an image. We can edit an image in the cut preview, and reducing colors doesn't return the background that had already been automatically removed. I hope this update video was helpful. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell icon so you can be notified when I release new videos every week, showing Design Space updates, Cricut tutorials, and experiments. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.